little explorers. Welcome back to Lil'WhizKids, where we embark on exciting journeys into the magical world of nature. Today, we have something truly special in store. We're going to discover the incredible life of butterflies. Did you know that butterflies go through an amazing transformation? It's like a magical storybook come to life. When they are born, they start life as caterpillars. They spend the first phase of their life crawling around plants, munching on leaves until they wrap themselves in a cocoon. While they are inside their cocoon, their body goes through a metamorphosis. It grows colorful wings. There are so many types of butterflies, each with its own unique colors and patterns. Some are big, some are small, and all of them are absolutely breathtaking. Let's take a look at a few of our favorites. One of the coolest things about butterflies is their wings. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Did you know that a butterfly's wings are covered in tiny scales? It's like they're wearing thousands of colorful little tiles. Butterflies have a unique way of eating. Instead of using mouths, they use something called a proboscis to sip nectar from flowers like tiny nature straws. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating process. Now, it's time for some fun facts. Did you know that butterflies can see more colors than humans? And some butterflies even taste with their feet. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it? Some butterflies are true adventurers. Monarch butterflies, for example, embark on incredible migrations. They travel thousands of miles from North America to Mexico. It's like their very own butterfly marathon. Meet the master mimics of the butterfly world, the owl butterflies. They have eye-like patterns on their wings to confuse predators. It's like they're saying, "I see you, but can you see me?" Not all fluttering creatures are butterflies. Some are nighttime cousins called moths. Moths are like the night shift workers of the insect world, and they come in all shapes and sizes just like butterflies. Butterflies play a crucial role in nature as pollinators. When they visit flowers for nectar, they inadvertently pick up and transfer pollen, helping plants grow. It's like they're tiny garden helpers. Even though butterflies are beautiful, their lives are short and sweet. Some live only a few weeks. That's why every flutter is like a tiny dance in the garden of life. Well, explorers, that concludes our adventure into the wonderful world of butterflies. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures. Don't forget to hit the like button if you had fun and subscribe for more amazing nature adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being curious. Bye for now.